Okay. There you go. What'd you have?
Yeah, 14.2 volts, man. We got power to it.
All right, so our F-150, well, this was a Florida truck, so that AC running 24/7, 365. So no doubt we're trying to diagnose a problem because right now it's huffing and puffing warm air. First thing we did was just check the refrigerant level, right? Anytime you have an AC problem, if it's too high or too low, that could not engage the clutch, not engage the packet in.
Yeah, you got pressure sensors in there. It just says, hey, man, I got issues, don't turn it on.
Yeah.
But since that's good, we flip the switch on, it actually sends power to the clutch. Now the clutch sits up here, right, engages, and now starts to spin the pump, builds up pressure, nice cool air.
Yeah.
Well, we got power to the clutch, but we got no clutch engaging.
There you go. And think about what's happening in here, right? You got gas going to liquid, going to gas again. You know, a lot of stuff going in there. That clutch running all the time tend to be a part that wears out.
Yeah, so we did a little power probe. We checked the connector going in. We know we got the power. So next thing to do, we're gonna drain all the refrigerant out, suck it all down.
Yep.
Once that's done, we can break the system open and put on our brand new Valeo compressor here with clutch and everything.
Yeah, now they're designed, manufactured, and tested all to OE standards. So you know you're getting a really nice piece directly. You just unbolt, boom, put the new one in, bolt it right back up, hook it back in, and you're good to go.
Well, because they're such a huge supplier to all the OEs, you got everything from all your environmental stuff, from corrosion, vibration, pressure, right? Everything from crash testing. So this guy's gonna go in, we can bolt it all back together, put the refrigerant back in, turn on the switch, and